Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely fake, but it actually happened. In 1958, the United States Air Force had a secret plan to blow up the moon. Not a metaphor, not a movie plot, a real classified military project called A-119, and watch till the end because the reason they canceled it is wild. After the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, America was panicking. They needed to show the world they were still the most powerful country on Earth, and someone in a suit said, "What if we just nuked the moon?" The physics worked. The explosion would have been visible from Earth with the naked eye. A young scientist named Carl Sagan actually helped calculate it. So why did they stop? Not because it was wrong. Not because the moon deserved better. They stopped because they were scared the rocket might fail and detonate over American soil instead. That was the only reason. The moon was never about discovery. It was a billboard, and they almost burned a hole in it just to win a news cycle.